Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete all the temporary files, junk files present in your system. I will show step by step. The first step is to clear the temporary files. In your PC or laptop, the temporary files are present in two places. I will show you in which locations the temporary files are present. You have to delete the total temporary files first. To open the temporary files, there are two ways. You can go to taskbar here and you can type as run. It will open a command prompt. Otherwise, you can click like Windows key plus R. Just if you click Windows key and the R key together, it will open this run command. After opening this run command, you have to type this in this way: percentile temp percentile. Note down this. You have to type percentile temp percentile. After that, just click OK or just press the enter button. After entering, it will take you to some location called temp. In this location, you can see many files are present. This is waste data. You don't need this data. These are all temporary files. You have to delete all these files to clear the system. I will select this by pressing Ctrl A. Then I will just delete it. Don't press delete. You can press Shift Delete. It will delete from the recycle bin also. If you just press the delete button, or here you can see after right clicking, you can see delete. It will again go into the recycle bin. Then you have to again delete the recycle bin. So if you want to delete totally from the system, you just first select this Ctrl A. It will select all the files present in the temporary location. Then just press Shift and Delete together. It will ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete these 205 items? Look, in the temporary data there are 205 files. So I am just pressing yes. I want to delete because there is no use of these files. This is just burden to the system. It will make your system slow to run slow. So just delete it. I am deleting is yes. Look how much data it is present. I think just skip this. Maybe this needed by some files in your system. Just skip it and select this. Do this for current items. It will do for all items. I'm just skipping it. Maybe these files are used by some other files in the system, so it is not deleting the files. It is just small size. No need to delete these files. Maybe used by some other files, so it is not giving permission to delete. Just leave it in this way. But all the other files has been deleted. It has removed all the temporary files. Now another location is same way. You can go to here and type run or just press Windows plus R key. R, remember alphabet R, and you have to type just temp, temp, not percentile temp, just temp. Look, here also a lot of stuff is present here. You don't need this also. This is also burden to your system. Just select this. I will show you how much data it has been taken. How much size. Look, 56 MB it has been taken. It is so I am deleting this also. I will just selected all this by pressing Ctrl A, and then I will just delete by pressing the key shift and delete button. It will ask temporarily yes, I want to delete all this, so I am selecting yes and do this for all items. Just skip it. If it is not giving permission to delete, just skip that. Yeah, no need to delete that. maybe these are all small size. I will show you what is the size of these items. Oh, 43 MB. Maybe this is used by some, it is used by some antivirus, so it is not deleting this item. Just leave it, and the temporary other files which are present here, it has been deleted that. Now the second step is to delete the prefetch files. No, don't prefetch files. You have to delete the files from this location. In the same way you have deleted the temporary files, you have to delete the prefetch location files also. Just you have to go in the same manner. Just press the Windows key and R key at the same time. It will open the run command, and here you have to type as prefetch, prefetch. Just type this and press enter. It will open some location. It will ask some permission. Just select as continue. And look here, there are a lot of files present here. Oh my god, lot of files are present. These are no need. These files are just waste. No need these files for your system. 22 MB files are present, so no need of these files. Just select this, select all. I have pressed Ctrl A. It has selected all the files, and just I will press Shift and delete key. It will completely delete from your system. No need of these files. I just press yes and select this. Do this for all current items. If some files or it is skipping, just let it skip, because some files are used by some other applications in your system. So just skip it, and all other files are been deleted. This is the second step you have to do in your system to make your system little bit fast, because these all files are present in the C drive only. It will make burden to your RAM to process to. So I am deleting all these location files which are not necessary to you. This is the second step. Now let's move into the third step. Now the third step is to delete the software update related files, because all the software present in your system store some update related files in a location. You have to delete all those files by going manually. So first we have to go to the C drive. I will go here. You have to go to select this C drive. After selecting this C drive, you can see a folder called Windows here. Just click it. After clicking this, you can see a folder called software distribution. I am pressing S, software here. This is the folder software distribution. Look, it is showing like 672 MB of data is present in this. We don't need these files also. I'll just open it, and I will just select this and select all the files present, because we don't need all these files, because maybe these are all files of previous versions. So I am selecting all this, Ctrl A. I will just delete this, Shift and delete. It will also just give the permission, continue. Look, all the files are been deleted from this folder. These files are not necessary for you, because these are all files related to the updates of the software. Some previous version data is present. Don't know what the stuff is present here, but you don't need this data. If any data needed by any application, when you connect to a internet, it will automatically download the data. You don't need to worry about that. This is the third step. Now let's move to the fourth step. Now the fourth step is to clear the browsing data of your browsers. If suppose you have multiple browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox or Mozilla, any types of browser, you have to clean all the browsing data present in that. I will show you how to clear in advanced way. Like you have to go to the advanced section and you have to clear all the browsing data from the browsers. Any browser, multiple browsers present, you have to clear all the browsers data. Like I have here 2 browsers. This is one I have received from my antivirus Avast, and this is one Google Chrome browser. This is Avast browser and this is Google Chrome browser. I will first clear from the Avast browser. I will select this browser first, and you can go to the history section like by pressing this key, and you can select here. If you click this, it will take you to history section. Or there is another option called, when you open a browser, you can just press Control and H letter. Press at a time both the keys, Control key and the H key. It will directly open the history section of your browser. Now just press this one, Privacy Cleaner. I am pressing this Privacy Cleaner. You can see here, if it is in basic one, just move to the advanced section. After moving to the advanced section, just click the all time. Don't select all this, just click the all time. If you want to delete 24 hours history, you can delete this, but I am cleaning all the data present from starting. So I am selecting the all time and select all the buttons, all the section, just select it. Don't deselect anyone, don't unselect anyone, just select all the one. I have selected all the things, and I just now press the clear data button. I have pressed the button. It will clear all the data present in the browser. No cookies are present, no password storage, nothing has been stored now. It looks like clear thing. If you type the new tab, you can see here nothing will be present. If you type something also, it doesn't give any. If some email ID is stored by default, it doesn't show. All the caches, all the things are deleted from the browser now. It is clean now, and I have deleted this one, and I am selecting the Google Chrome browser now. I have selected this. First I am closing all the things here present. Close all the browsers, all the tabs of Google Chrome. I have closed all the tabs and open a new tab. Now I am going again to the history section, like pressing Control and H key. Just now it has been clear. I will select this clear browsing data, and I will go to the advanced section. It is already selected. If it is present at the basic one, move to the advanced section. I have moved to the advanced section, and I will select all the sections present here. Look, just cache images and files data is 319 MB. I have cleared all the data, I think 2 or 3 days back, but it has stored lot of stuff here. I will just now remove this. I surf lot in the Google, so it is storing lot of cache files, images, files, all the thing. I select all the things and just clear this. If you don't want to delete the passwords stored by, you can just unselect that section. If you go here, you can see a section called password and other sign-in data. If you don't want to delete this one, some people store the password because they forget all the things from the forget the password sometimes, so they do like remember password every time they log in. So if you want to store the password in the browser, just unselect this one and clear the data. Every time you type the email ID, it will take the password from the stored data. If you want to unselect this one, please remember this. If you select this one, the password will be removed. No stored password will be present in the browser. It looks like clean browser. So remember this is the fourth step. Now let's move into the fifth step. Now the final step is you have to flush the DNS files, all the configuration files of IP addresses, all that. So if you want to do that, you have to go the same way you deleted the temporary files, like opening the terminal of run after pressing Windows and R key, or you can go to the taskbar and just type here run. I will go like pressing the key Windows and R key, Windows plus R key. Just I have pressed that. It will show you like a terminal. You have to type here CMD. Just type this and press the enter button. Press. You can see a terminal has been opened. This is the Windows terminal. In this terminal you have to type as like a flush DNS. Remember this. You have to type FLUSH DNS. Flush the DNS data. You don't need, this is the unnecessary data present in the system. I will type this flush DNS and just press the enter button. Oh, it is showing like this and oh yeah. We have to type like a pip config / flush DNS. Oh, sorry, DNS. You have to type in this way because this is present here. Pip config / and flush DNS. Look, it has been deleted all the files. I have wrongly pressed because I haven't typed the pip config before the flush DNS, so it is telling like it is not recognized a command. So you have to type in this way: pip config / flush DNS. Remember this. You have to type. Look, it has been successfully flushed the DNS resolvable cache. Cache is nothing but temporary data. No need of this data in your system. So I have successfully flushed. This is the final step. Now all the unwanted files, all the unwanted data has been deleted from removed from your system totally. This is the method to delete all the unnecessary files, all the unwanted data from your system, to clean your system. In this way you can clean your system. It will make somewhat fast your all the things. It will open soon. If you haven't deleted from a long time, please do this. It will make somewhat better. The last thing to be remembered is not to store any data in the recycle bin. If you have stored any data in the recycle bin, just empty the recycle bin by clicking the recycle bin and just click empty recycle bin. I think 5 files are present, so I'm deleting all the files. So clean up the recycle bin every day. If your system process is making slow, just clean that, and don't store any data in the download folders. Suppose like if you go to the folder called downloads here, look here, I can see many files. Please don't store any files in this download folder, download section. I think I have a movie here, it is like 2 GB, so I am just removing it and placing in the media section. I will just copy here. Just remember, don't keep the files in the download section. Just move to some drive other than C drive. Just remember it. It will, after doing all these things, you can feel your processor fast. Just do these things. It will clear all your unwanted files, all the data, all the stuff, unnecessary data present in the system. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.